Hi, I'm Simon Javier, your Mr. International Philippines, Las Piñas City. And the one thing that I'm most proud of, I got to inspire a lot of people, millions of people through my contents in social media. As a vlogger with over 18 million followers, I made this one video talking about mental health, about suicide prevention, and yes, I've gathered millions of people to watch that video. It reached up to 20 million views, and a lot of people are messaging me saying thank you for making this video. I almost unalive myself, but because of you, I got inspired and I get to live life again happily. And so I received like hundreds and thousands of messages online, and I'm so happy that I inspired many people to live life, to not give up, and you are not alone. So that's the thing that I'm most proud of, to influence people and change their mindset about suicide.
Hello everyone, I am Michael Francis Usha from Balayan, Batangas. So, ang bagay na nagawa ko na pinaka-proud ako is yung pagsali ko dito sa pageantry. Kasi nung hindi ako sumasali sa mga ganitong patimpalak, napaka-mahihain kong tao, napaka-introvert. Yung parang ayaw na lang makisama sa mga ibang tao. Pero nung sumali ako dito, I'm starting to grow that kind of thing. I'm starting to socialize with many persons, and not just about my introvert self. I'm starting to step onto a stage without fear on facing a lot of people. So yeah, that's the most thing I'm very proud of.
Hi everyone, I'm Justin Pontejos, Mr. Batangas International. What I have done that I'm most proud of is to compete here on national stage, which is Mr. International Philippines 2025. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ed Christian Dillon, your Mr. International Philippines 2025 Philcon Canada. And the one thing that I'm most proud of is to be part of this Mr. International Philippines 2025, because alam nyo na last year I'm just dreaming that one day I'll step into this stage. Kasi naman, joining this prestigious pageant is so privileged para po sa akin, and then I'm looking forward sa mga opportunities po na may bibigay sa amin ng organization when pag nanalo po ako sa competition na ito, and also I will be able to expand my platform and to create a positive impact and to inspire others po. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Michael Amagan Jr. and I'm representing of the province of Cavite. So, ang aking achievement na maipapakita ko po sa inyo is yung nairas po namin ang competition na to. And then, of course po, yung asawa ko po ngayon na nag-aantay sa Cavite po, kahit pa paano po natulungan niya po kapag ating sa ganitong competition po. Hindi po ako makakarating dito kundi dahil sa kanya po. So, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga LGU ng Cavite and of course sa aking city, sa Silang Cavite po. Kaya isa rin po yun sa mga achievement ko pong nakuha ngayon is yung magkaroon ako ng connection pagdating sa media po na ma-share ko po yung aking mga saloobin pagdating po sa aking buhay. Maraming salamat po.